In today's video, I'm going to teach you typography poster design in Canva. We'll start by opening a template so you have a ready-made canvas to work on. Pick a clean layout that lets the type be the hero, then change the background color to something bold and high contrast. This will make your typography pop and set the tone for the entire poster. Next, head to Apps and search for Typecraft. Open it, then write your headline or phrase in the text box. Choose a text color that stands out against your background. When you're happy, click Add to Design so it drops onto your canvas. Duplicate that text so you have a second copy to work with. Open the duplicate in Typecraft to customize it separately, then change its color to create distinction between the two layers. For a dynamic look, click Custom inside Typecraft to access the warp controls. Drag the dots to sculpt the text. Narrow the top portion slightly so it feels tighter, then pull in the top corners to accentuate the taper. On the bottom, widen the angle to create a bolder base. When the shape feels right, click Update Element to bring it back into your design. Adjust the size so the typography commands attention, and place the second warped text just below and offset from the first. This creates a long shadow illusion that adds depth. Make any final adjustments to spacing, alignment, and scale until the two layers read as one cohesive form. To add atmosphere, go to Elements and insert a blue gradient. Position it at the bottom and stretch it so it softly fades upward, grounding the composition without stealing focus. Now upload your image and use BG Remover to cut out the background, keeping the subject clean. Click Edit, then choose Duotone and set both colors to white for a crisp, graphic look that pairs nicely with bold type. Again, click Edit and select Shadows. Apply a drop shadow to the subject to separate it from the background and tie it into the long shadow theme. Adjust the shadow distance to match the direction and intensity of your typographic shadow so everything feels consistent. Resize the subject so it complements the headline rather than competing with it, and reposition it to balance the layout, typically near the lower area where the gradient sits. Zoom out for a quick check of contrast, spacing, and hierarchy, and you're done. You've just built a striking typography poster in Canva with layered type, custom warp, and a clean graphic image treatment.